need to be 20 feet back.
Did you know the Supreme Court hasn't ruled on any distance? What law is that?
You need to be 20 feet.
Quote the ARS. Give me a supervisor, because I got an idiot who doesn't know what he's talking about.
A man records cops blocking a driveway, and suddenly there's a 20-foot rule that even the Supreme Court forgot to mention. They quote no law and still want him to back up because logic is optional.
What's your problem? How am I a problem? This is the public space. What law is that, sir? What law is that, sir? Where's the ordinance? Hey, bad. I gotta be 20 feet back. Did you know the Supreme Court hasn't ruled on any distance? No, they haven't. Did you know that interference is only a physical action? You're not on traffic stop, so how can I interfere with something that you're not doing? Because there's nobody here. Oh, and the other law says you have to have crime scene tape up if you're in the middle of something. Yes, you do. I can be anywhere that the public is allowed to be. What law is that? Quote the ARS. Quote that, because I know for a fact that interference is a physical action. I have to physically stop you from doing your job. Where's yours? Because you don't have one. You haven't studied the law. I have proven that. Your policy says y'all have 2 weeks of training on the law. That's not studying the law. What's the first 5 elements of the Constitution? First 5 elements of the Constitution. What are they? Skip. The First Amendment, my bad. First 5 elements of the First Amendment. What are they? So you're not actually in the process of doing a job. So, since there's no emergency, why are the emergency lights on? That's against your policy. Where's the emergency? It is. I've rigged all 600 plus pages of your policy.
Turn my lights on so I can turn my camera on. Because you can't compare on videoing you too. Because you don't move 20 feet back.
I don't have to. You know you're wrong. Because you know you're wrong. Give me a supervisor. Give me a supervisor now. Because I got an idiot who doesn't know what he's talking about. That's why this dude is remaining silent like his Fifth Amendment tells him to. You're obstructing the road, is what y'all are doing. I'm not. I'm on the public easement. Nope. 15 to the sidewalk. No, I'm not. This is in the middle of the road that you're blocking. So there's an officer of the law. Is there an emergency? Because you're not allowed to use the lights unless there's an emergency. No, you can't. No, you can't. Your policy does. Go read it. Why would I quote something to you that you should know by heart? Obviously not. Because you think that I have to be 20 feet away, and Supreme Court has not ruled on that. Supreme Court has not ruled on any distance. Actually, the burden of proof is on you, not me. If you arrest me, you have to prove, not me. You have to prove that I broke the law.
You're being a child.
You're the child that jumped out of your car ready to go hands-on. Oh, I'm getting back in to record your car, which is my First Amendment right to do.